everyone. This is Cole. Here I'll be playing Taco Kitchen, which I think it's called Taco Kitchen, or is it called toca Kitchen? I don't know. Okay, what's this for this? Oh yeah, the jump part 5 I made me making a different name because I haven't made the other office yet, so it's a choice. What should we use? Her, hit a cat, or her, or a cow, I guess. It's weird. Okay. Want to try some hay? Oh, I'll make it nice for you. Oh, we're going to cook some hay for this woman. Feel like it better. Oh, how about with the blender? Oh my gosh. Oh, let's make it even more. Oh man, I can't use that anymore. Let's blend these pieces. Make it fresh and new. Let's do that. You just threw on the ground. How dare you? Okay, she wants this like a kitty. Right? Let's cook this feed. Da 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 da. Alright. Wow. Let's blend the feed. Looks like juicy a little bit. Yeah, take that. Stupid fish. Yeah, you wanna bite me? Huh? Is that what you said? Oh. No. Oh, what's the cat? Let's make him. Yay. He's eating them together. He's a feisty cat. Hold on, let me cook this sausage. Let's do that. Cook the sausage just for you. Now let's blend it. Yuck. I do not want to drink that. Oh yeah, you want to fight me? Yeah, take that, in the that, in the that, in the that, in the... How many times I'm going to say that, I don't know. Make it spicy. Make it spicy. If you don't, I will kill you. Well, too bad. I already did. You got breathe out some fire, I think. You made breathe out fire. It'll burn everyone. I will do the salt dance. I mean the salt dance. Ah! I will be sour inside your taste buds. Yeah. Hey, I wasn't gonna throw at you. I didn't mean to do that. Nice fresh women starting a fire in my war. Ooh, let's do that. Oh, you wanna take me? Yeah. Too bad you got it. You'll never take me alive, kitty. Ah! Alright. To her. Okay, I guess she wants more broccoli cooked on a plate just hot for her. Da, 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 da. It's my favorite color, green. Cooked broccoli. How about you want to fight? Ah, take that, and then this, and then that, and then this, and then that, and this. Okay, I'm done. I don't know. Do the salt dance. Do the salt dance. Do the spicy pepper dance. Do the spicy pepper dance. Everybody do the salt. I think I see someone in the background. It's really weird. Guys, there's something in the background. It's kind of creepy. Okay, I'll just end this video if you want me to. I'll just end it. Bye, everyone.